What up? Y'all know who it is. Back at it again. About to show you my new computer. What do you think? Right now I'm on MKU. Talking over here with Tom Brady, as usual. Or arguing, I should say. Also got it up on the projector as well. Yeah, I'm bored. Anyways, I'm about to show you my new computer here. Let's get right to it. That's the old computer, by the way. Just messing with you guys. Still hooked up. This is the new one right here. 12 gigs of memory, yo. 1 gig video card. It's off the hook. This computer, sick. I just added in a Raptor drive in it, so I got the Raptor drives. Like crazy load time. Instantaneous. You know what I mean? 12 gigs of memory, 1 gig video card, and then I got my custom fight stick right here. Sick. San Juan parts. It's crazy. You like that, eh? Anyways, and I got the mic, which I'll be yelling at people on, telling people they suck. Street Fighter. For the PC. Let's get to the game. Show you what's up. Anyways, how do you do this? Yeah, let's see. Let's start Street Fighter. So let's click on that. Launch Street Fighter. So here we are, Street Fighter for the PC. Sick. Hey, if you're on the Xbox or PC or whatever, add me. What's my name? Oh, KevMac101. Add KevMac101. My YouTube, KevMac101. You already know. Here we are. Put the volume up in this biatch. So I can either play on the 90-inch screen over here, right? Or we can play on the 42-inch. You pick. I don't know. We'll play on the 42-inch. That's how we do. Hey, someone just sent me a message. What? Alright. Check the downloads. Hey, we're going to play a quick game here. You guys can watch me. I'm not good at Street Fighter as I used to be. I'm not really into this new Street Fighter. To me, Street Fighter is dead. It's just like the arcades. Dead. There we go. Y'all see that okay? Alright. Let's go get a match in here. Now, don't laugh at my Street Fighter skills, because I don't even take this game. I don't even play this game on a high level anymore. To me, I don't know. To me, those days are done. Let it rest. About to destroy it. Oh, we got a new challenger. Somebody wants to get owned, I see. Ooh, who should we own? Hey, what's up? This is me, Kev Mac, about to own you. Y'all check out my YouTube, KevMac101.com. You're gonna be on there being owned and exposed, whatever, destroyed. This is my favorite set in this, my favorite stage in this game, only because you know why? It's got some hot chicks in there. So, all about the girls. Yeah, I'm about to own this dude, whoever he is, some random scrub. Oh shoot. Alright, might be good. Might be good. Shouldn't say that. Oh, I see, said the blind man. Wow, impressive. What? Okay, I haven't played this game in like months, okay? Months. Like 4 months I haven't played this game. Newbies. What the freak? What? he sucks, we both suck. But I'm still winning. Never survive in the jungle. Hey, yo, go to my YouTube, by the way, wherever you are. And be sure to subscribe. Oh, man. That's basic. Oh, no, you don't. Oh, no, you don't. Oh, come on. Hogwash. Hadouken. All you do is spam. All these Ryus, all you do is spam Hadouken. Things good. Oh, no, here it goes. Oh, no, you don't. Oh, you scrub. Oh, no, you don't. Oh, no, you don't. Sit down, okay? Don't come in my house or challenge me acting like you're gonna beat me. Okay? I own Street Fighter. See? I bought a copy right here. See that? I own that. That's mine. I paid for it. This messing around. Ew, this guy had no points. What a loser. Ew. Anyways. Yeah, well. Hey, do we have time for one more game? Let me do one more game. Meet some other random newbies. Yeah, I must say though, on the PC version, nobody's pulling yet. No one's pulled. I played some guy with 7,000 points. I beat him. He didn't pull. Surprisingly. Can't believe I even won. Bring off, right? Oh, come on, random scrub. Come on, someone challenge me. Oh, we got a new warrior. Oh, how are we doing on time? We have 2 minutes left. Hey, yo. How come everybody has a mic on the PC? They don't talk. Talk, crackhead. I'm gonna make this quick. I'm gonna try to school this guy as quick as I can. I got less than 2 minutes to school him or else YouTube's not gonna let me upload this video. Let's see here. This dude real quick. Oh, come on. Random newbies. Oh, doggy damn. Uh-oh. Come here, little punk. Oh, come on. No, no way. Oh, no. You suck. Your mother. Oh, shut up, Ryu. Random scrub. Come on. Cheesy. Ugh. Cheater. Come on, scrub. Ah! Oh, come on! Not again! Oh! You a cheater! Oh, this guy knows ultras. Oh! Yeah, that's my turn. Oh, come on! Your mother! Oh! Okay, time's up. Sorry.